For using the stethoscope, first insert the headphones in the headphone jack port. For using the stethoscope, select the Steth menu on the device. Secure your earphones so that you can hear the heartbeat. Place the device as indicated so that you can hear the heartbeat clearly. Do not place the device at a 90-degree angle as indicated. Please use a 70 or 60-degree angle to get the accurate heart and lung measurements from the stethoscope. You can also adjust the volume accordingly. Once the measurement is done, you have a record message that is displayed on the ASHA Plus device. Also in the app, you have the recording of your heart and lung sound which can be sent to your doctor.